Here we've got a set of BMW i8 headlight assemblies, and this car was in an accident. Our customer is restoring the vehicle and bringing it back to life. Unfortunately, I'm sure that this headlight was deemed trash. Every single mounting point has cracks in it. Unfortunately, there's a lot of debris and dirt, and looks very questionable. Customer stated everything works, but this housing is pretty badly cracked. So every mounting point was damaged. We are going to take this apart completely, seal it up from the inside, plastic weld it, staple it, and seal it with some epoxy. This light is in good shape. They're both getting new lenses, so we're gonna see if we can fully overhaul these and make them look brand new again. Stay tuned. All right, so this is the really bad one. First step we're going to do is using an ultrasonic cutting tool to remove the lens. That way we can get a better idea. And if you take a look at this, it's very sloped. When you're prying the lens, it would be difficult to get past that whole protrusion there. So yeah, that's what we like to do. That way we have access to both sides of the channel. Looks like a lot of mounting tabs are broken. We've got some work cut out for us, and we can see if we can clean this up, but that's not going to be guaranteed, obviously. Luckily, that looks like it's more of a silver than a chrome, so maybe that'll clean up nicely, but a lot of debris in here. Now we'll remove the pieces of the lens, which will be cut up. Again, not a DIY, but just an overview of the service that we're providing today on this i8. All right, lenses came off pretty straightforward. We're scraping out the permaseal. I want to show you what this looks like. The light had to be completely disassembled. For some models, they offer back housings. I don't know if they offer it for this model. In any case, we weren't ready for that. But we plastic welded everything together, epoxied it, painted it. Yeah, these have to be strong. And if anything gets damaged in shipping, it's going to create another hairline crack in water to get in. So everything's been reinforced. It'll look brand new from the outside. Obviously, it's reconditioned from the inside and a little bit from the outside, but permaseal's been scraped out. And again, this is not a DIY, guys. We have a few good videos for that. If you want to reach out to us, I can link you up. This needs to be cleaned up. This kind of semi-flat black or matte black is tough to clean, but we'll clean it up with some detailing spray. We'll get the new lens on. We'll show you how this all looks once it's all wrapped up. All right, this is ready to reseal. So we've got the sealant cleaned out, as I showed you before. New Dynamics butyl sealant is installed. We try to clean everything up as best as possible. Obviously, one was wrecked, but it cleaned up pretty fairly well. I think with the new lenses, you won't be able to tell. They'll look really sweet. We've got it fully cleaned out. Everything looks really good. We'll get them sealed up, and we'll show you the final results. All right, another rescue completed here. Definitely happy with how this one came out. The light is going to look brand new once it's back on the car, despite having a few broken tabs and a really cracked housing. I mean, this one obviously fully resurrected, so it's really nice to see. This is a ZKW produced permaseal headlight, so we got the stiff sealant. Takes a lot of extra care. We disassembled the internals, cleaned everything out, make sure nothing is stuck inside. I mean, just beautiful. Overall, just beautiful. And these might be one of the first laser lights I think BMW created. You guys can check that out. Fact check me. But super cool to see these get brought back to life. So if you guys have a BMW i8 or a model that's not listed on our website, just reach out to us. We're happy to help you and make the best of whatever you have. We like helping people save money. We offer a quick turnaround time. You can ship the lights in from anywhere in the world, and they'll arrive to us, and we'll get started on them right away. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Let us know how we can help you. And until then, thanks.